Hello, I'm Ilpo from Finland, and in this short clip I'm going to be cutting my own hair. I've done it really often with this machine, but I have never done it with Leatherman. I'm not going to use the blade, but these little scissors that are in here. There has been a lot of stuff happening in my life, and I've decided to do things for the first time. Many different things that I have never done. And cutting my own hair with these little scissors is something I have never done. But as many or some tech tubers that I like say, first things first, coffee. I usually drink with milk, but I'm out of milk at the moment. And I'm from Finland. We drink coffee here more than anybody in Finland in world, so I have to drink it anyways. Good. Okay, then the cutting part. I will begin with these, and after that I have to use again this machine to finish it up, but let's try first these. And here's this bucket is for my hair. Usually I cut my hair in the bathroom, but now since I'm filming this, I use this on my bed. Okay, now glasses off. How do they? I love walking in the woods and taking pictures and stuff like that, but I seldom go to any hair salons and anything like that. I like spending all my time in forest and nature. So I don't know about these. How should scissors be used in hair cutting? I guess I take a little bit first. Is that a little bit? I don't know. Maybe I should have bigger scissors. This might take a while. So I think this won't be short film. Maybe this will be a clip part number 1. How many of these will you be able to watch if I make 10 clips of cutting my hair? I don't think many people will be watching them all. But I'm going to make other clips too from different stuff that I have never done before. So first time maybe eating something that is new to me. Skydiving would be a thing that I have never done, but it's too expensive at the moment for me. Maybe one day. Let's see how big this goes. This is only video number 1. As you can see from my channel, other videos are just clips of animals and something like that. Okay, I can see now. I don't know about you, but I'm seeing again. There's no hair in the way. Oh. It doesn't hurt with that machine. This hurts. My hair has been growing for months now. Usually I have really short hair. because when you're using this, you can cut it to, I usually keep it on that number 2. I don't know if that's 2 millimeters, sometimes maybe 3, but usually 2, because then I don't have to cut it so often. Yeah, that's the first part. Now more coffee and let's be back later.